This home is planned with purpose, with nothing placed by accident. Smart layouts, furniture, and materials make it modern contemporary. Every choice supports comfort, flow, and daily living. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas. You get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. First, the living area. The area feels airy yet connected. Then, the kitchen layout maximizes both space and usability. Moving to the family room, the seating arrangement encourages conversation and relaxation. Every area works together, sharing flow and style, yet each has its own purpose. Your home can feel the same. Start with a clear design plan. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.